The Google Pixel 9 series has arguably been the most leaked smartphone lineup this year, leaving us with a wealth of information ahead of its unveiling on August 13. While there were a few minor details missing regarding the Pixel 9 Pro XL, those gaps have now been filled. Recently, new videos showcasing a forthcoming Google Pixel desktop mode have surfaced, along with hands-on images of the Pixel 9 Pro XL itself. Additionally, various sources have revealed the expected US pricing for the successor to the Pixel 8 Pro, as well as the smaller Pixel 9 Pro. It seems that Google plans to price the Pixel 9 Pro at $999, though it remains uncertain whether this applies to the 128 or 256 gigs storage options. Furthermore, leaks indicate that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will be priced at $1,199, marking a significant increase from the Pixel 8 Pro. However, according to leaker Mystery Lupin, this may not be accurate. The leaker suggests that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will actually launch at $100 less, especially when considering pre-order discounts and promotions. Even so, a launch price of $1,099 would still represent a $100 increase compared to its predecessor with 128 gigs of storage. As it stands, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is anticipated to be one of more than 6 devices that Google will reveal on August 13. The latest updates from the leaker reveal more images of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the largest model in the Pixel 9 lineup that doesn't fold. After sharing numerous renders of this device and its counterparts, the leaker has now shifted focus to real-life photos of the Pixel 9 Pro XL in action. Additionally, the same X account has provided further specifications, some of which differ from previous reports. According to Mystery Lupin, Google has opted for a 6.8-inch OLED display instead of the previously mentioned 6.73-inch version. The leaker also claims that this display boasts a native resolution of 2992 by 1344 pixels and can reach a peak brightness of 3000 nits, along with a likely 120 Hz refresh rate. Furthermore, Mystery Lupin suggests that the Pixel 9 Pro XL's display is safeguarded by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The leaker also reaffirms earlier predictions, including 16 gigs of RAM, the Tensor G4 and Titan M2 chipsets, and an impressive camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 48-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 42-megapixel selfie camera. As of now, pre-orders are set to kick off on August 13, 2024, coinciding with the Made by Google launch event. Following this event, customers can expect to find a range of new products available for pre-order on the official online store. However, there are notable differences in the release timelines for the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro compared to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and Pixel Buds Pro 2. At this time, details regarding the availability of the Pixel Watch 3 and any potential pre-order promotions remain under wraps, although Google is known for offering attractive deals. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, along with the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL variant, are anticipated to be readily available starting August 22, 2024, meaning those who pre-order on August 13 should receive their devices by that date. Unfortunately, this timeline does not extend to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the Pixel Buds 3 Pro, with reports indicating that the foldable device will not ship until September 4, while the new earbuds are expected to be released even later, on September 26, over a month after the launch event. The leaked information suggests that this year's deals will be different from the previous years. Instead of receiving a Pixel Watch 2 or a pair of Pixel Buds Pro when purchasing a Pixel 8 phone, customers will now be offered storage upgrades. This approach is similar to what Samsung is currently offering, where customers who pre-order a phone within a specific window will receive a higher storage variant for the price of a lower one. These deals are expected to be available at most authorized merchants in France, with different offers potentially available in other markets. Additionally, users who purchase a Pixel 9 Pro, Pro XL, or Pro Fold before December will receive 12 free months of Google One A Premium, while those who buy a Pixel 9 will get 6 months of the service. It's worth noting that customers in the US or other markets may still have the opportunity to receive a Pixel Watch or Pixel Buds as part of their purchase. These new deals aim to entice customers to join the Pixel ecosystem and take advantage of the latest offerings from Google. It's intriguing to note that we've now seen both 128 and 256 gigs variants, hinting that Google may opt for higher memory configurations across all models. This move aligns with Google's emphasis on AI, which demands substantial memory resources for on-device processing. Furthermore, the leak confirms that the device is equipped with an Exynos 5400 modem, evident in the baseband section. This modem, based on the 3GPP Release 17 standard, promises a maximum data throughput of 14.79 gigs per second. While real-world speeds may not reach this peak, the satellite support of the 5400 modem is a feature Google is likely to leverage. Notably, the Exynos 5400 modem shares a foreign process with the Tensor G4, hinting at enhanced efficiency and performance. It is anticipated that this modem will be a standard feature across Google's entire Pixel 9 series, underscoring the company's commitment to cutting-edge technology and connectivity. The spotlight shone on smartphone satellite connectivity when the iPhone 14 series was introduced, marking a significant advancement in technology. Google may have been tardy in joining the trend, but the company has now integrated support for this feature into the Android 15 platform, enabling apps to detect when a device is linked to a satellite. In order to provide this service, phone manufacturers will need to incorporate support for satellite connectivity and establish partnerships with both terrestrial and satellite carriers. Our previous discussions have explored how Google could implement emergency satellite connectivity in the Pixel 9 series, and we are excited to reveal more details about the Pixel Satellite SOS feature. Android Authority has recently uncovered fresh evidence within the fourth beta version of Android 15, indicating that Google is actively working on incorporating support for satellite emergency calls into Android smartphones. Referred to as Pixel Satellite SOS in the code, it is expected that the Google Pixel 9 series, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold, will be the first devices to feature this functionality. This development aligns with previous speculations, suggesting that these smartphones will be equipped with a new Samsung Exynos 5400 modem capable of supporting NTN satellite networks. The code further reveals that satellite messages will be exclusive to Google Messages, and users of the Pixel satellite network will enjoy complimentary access for 2 years upon purchasing a new Pixel smartphone. Notably, this offering mirrors Apple's approach with the iPhone, although details regarding the subscription cost for satellite services from both Apple and Google remain undisclosed. It remains unclear whether emergency calls can be made without a subscription during critical situations. The code also hints that eligible Pixel devices will require a software update to enable satellite emergency calls, implying that this feature may not be fully operational upon the August 13 launch date, or may be limited to specific regions initially. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is likely to showcase a plethora of AI innovations that Google has been developing. So that's all for today. With the next Google event just around the corner, be sure to subscribe for all the latest updates. Until next time, take care.